I'm going to turn on the water now so you can hear how loud the water pump is. This is the way it comes from the factory. Ultimately, what we're going to do is install a couple of vinyl tubes to reduce the vibration. I'm going to put the phone on the floorboard to see if we get a good comparison. Now I have the kitchen sink running and the bathroom. It's pretty noisy. I'm going to take you into the bathroom so you could hear. It is also loud in the bathroom due to the vibration. You can hear the vibration from the water pump all the way in the bathroom. The sink is still running. Okay, so I moved the water pump. It was over here in this location. Just temporarily set it here. Hooked up the pipes. I'm really excited to do a sound test. Turn on the water and see what it sounds like. Okay, since the water heater has been drained, it's filling up the water heater now, and that is very, very quiet. It's probably hard to tell on the camera because you can hear the water pump running, but it's a night and day difference between the old style. It was banging, 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 and vibrating the travel trailer. We'll go ahead and let it run until it fills up and satisfies the pressure on the pump, and then the pump will shut off. Okay, the water pump shut off. And so far, I'm extremely happy with that. What a big difference. You know, some more vinyl tubing, I guess, gives it the flexibility to muffle the vibration from the water pump. I'm sure every RV, travel trailer, fifth wheel water pump is different. But the lines, or the rigid lines, are connected directly to the pump. It's definitely better to use some hose to give it that flexibility. Okay, I'm going to put the phone next to the water pump for the sound and vibration test. Okay, so yeah, the phone is right next to the pump on the floorboard. Okay, and then at the same time, I'm going to take you into the bathroom, and then also the before and after from the vibration and sound in the bathroom. Okay, this is the noise in the bathroom. Okay, I'm very happy with this outcome. This will work. Okay, I hope this was helpful.